Hello my dear 10th class students. So after a long time I'm posting maths videos. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you real numbers, very short answer questions. Okay. So first question is the find the value of log 5 and 25. Okay. So what you have to do first, you have to take let x is equals to log 5 and 25. Okay. So now what you have to do, here 5 is given. So you have to take this 125. Okay, you have to take this 125 as 5 cube. Okay, when you do 5 cube, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 it will become 125. Okay, so here there are some identities in the logarithm. Okay, so what is the identity here? What we have to take here, since log x to the power of n, okay, x to the power of n is equals to n log x. So this we are taking here. So what you have to do here, you have to take 3 log 5 5. So again we are having one more identity here. What is the identity here? Log a is equals to 1. Okay, so we are taking this identity here. Okay, so log a means log 5 is 1 here. So what will be the answer here? The answer is 3 here. Okay, 3 is the answer here. So what is the second question? Find the LCM and HCF of 17, 23 and 29. So you have to take the factors of this. Okay, what is the factors of 17? It is 17 ones are 17, 17 ones are 17, 23 ones are 23, 29 ones are 29. Okay, these three doesn't goes in any table. Okay, so what we have to do, LCM is equals to 17 into 23 into 25. Okay, so what is the answer here? 17 23s are you have to do, and again 29s are. Okay, you have to do multiplication here. It will be 11339. So HCF, what is the HCF here? What is common, highest common factor in three of this? 1. Okay, so 1 is the HCF here. So this is the second question. Third question is find the HCF of 24 and 33 by using division algorithm. Okay, so you have to use here division algorithm, that is Euclid's division algorithm. So what is Euclid's division algorithm? A is equals to BQ plus R. So we have to take here A is equals to BQ plus R. Okay, so we know that 33 is greater than 24. This we know. So now what you have to do, you have to take this 24 here, then 33 here. 24 ones are 24, then 13 minus 4, 3 4, it will become 9. Okay, again what you have to take, you have to take here 24, these 24 here, this 24 here, then 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 we are taking. Okay, then again 14 minus 8, 4 5 6 7 8, it will become 6. Okay, it will become 6. Then what you have to do, 1 minus 1 is 0. Then again you have to take here 9, 6 ones are 6, 7 8 9, 3 left here, then again 6, 3 twos are 6. So here we got the answer. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to write this in this form, Euclid's division algorithm. A is equals to BQ plus R. Okay, so what is A here? A is 33. So this is dividend. Okay, dividend means, what is the dividend here? Dividend is 33. For in first one, A is 33 is equals to BQ. BQ is B is 24, divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the remainder here? 9. Okay, so again you have to write here 24 dividend, then divisor is 9 here into, so what is the quotient here? Quotient is 2 plus 6. Okay, then again you have to take here 24 is there here, again 9 is equals to, then what you have to take here, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then again what you have to do, again you have to take 6 here, 6 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 0. Okay, plus remainder. So A is dividend. Okay, B is divisor, remember this one. Okay, so like this you have to do this. Okay, with the Euclid's division algorithm. Now what is the fourth question? Ramu says if log 10 x is equals to 0, value of x is equals to 0, do you agree with him? Give reason. Okay, so what you have to take here, given. Okay, what is the given here? Log 10 x is equals to 0, then x is equals to 0. This is given in the question itself. If log 10 x is equals to 0, then we have to take one identity here. We are taking this identity. Okay, so what is the identity here? Log an. Okay, so a is here 10, a is equals to 10. Okay, so n is here, n is equals to x. Then what is x here? X is equals to 0. Okay, so this identity we are taking. Log an is equals to x. So what is the answer for this identity? Ax is equals to n. Okay, so what is a here? 10. Then a is 10, then x is 0 is equals to, what is n? N is x. So what is x? X to the power of 0 is x. Okay, so what is x to the power of 0? Always x degree means it is 1. So 1 is the answer. It is not 0. So it is given in the question x is equal to 0. So do you agree with him? No, we did not agree with Ramu. You have to write this, okay, as a reason. So fifth question is find the value of log root 2 128. So let log root 2 128 is equals to x. This is given in the question. Okay, so what you have to take here is equals to, first we are taking log 128, then you have to take log root 2. Okay, then by log root 2 you have to take here. Okay, then what you have to do, log this 128 we are taking as 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the 14, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the, it is 128. Okay, then by log this you can take root 2, you can take as 2 1 by 2. Okay, this root we are taking as 1 by 2, this we can take. Okay, then what you have to do, 7 log 2. Okay, these 7 we are taking here, 7 log 2 by, then 1 by 2 we have to take here, 1 by 2 log 2. Okay, then what you have to do, this log 2 gets cancelled, then what will the answer? 7 by 1 by 2. Everything you have to write in details in exam. Okay, everything you have to write in details, every step you have to show. Okay, for each step they will give marks. Okay, so don't write the answers directly. Okay, so 7 into 2 by 1. So what will be the answer? 7 to the 14. 14 by 1 is 14 only. 14 is the answer for this. Now sixth question is expand log 10 385. Okay, so how you have to expand it? Log 10 385. Okay, so log 10 385 you have to take the factors of this. Okay, so 5 7s are 35, 36, 37, 38. 3 will left here, 7. 5 7s are again 35. Okay, then 11 7s are 77, then 7 1s are. So what will the answer here? 5 into 11 into 7. So you have to separate this. Okay, how you can separate this? So there is one identity of separating this. What you have to do? Log 10 5 you have to take, then plus again log 10 11 you have to take, plus then again you have to take log 10 7. Okay, so while separating this multiply symbol, you have to change this product symbol to plus. Okay, so log 10 7. So now what you have to do, since log ABC is equals to log A plus log B plus log C, so you have to write the identities which you are using for this. Okay, now seventh question is find the value of log root 2 is equals to 256. Log root 2 256 is equals to log root 2 256 means we have to take these 256 as 2 to the power of 8. So when you do 2 8 times you will get this answer 256. Okay, so now 8 log root 2 2. Okay, this root to 2 is given here. These 8 we are taking here. We are using this identity here. Log x to the power of n is equals to n log x. Okay, so now what you have to do, 8 log 2 1 by 2. This we can take it as 2 1 by 2. Then what you have to do, 8 you have to separate these 8 log 2 by log 2 1 by 2. Okay, so these log 2 gets cancelled. So now what will be the answer, 8 by 1 by 2. Okay, so now what you have to do, 8 into 2 by 1. So the answer will be 8 to the 16. 16 is the answer.